Welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Basically, on my way to a Tier 2 match. Downs FC versus Racing United. My apologies. But anyways, Cephas actually registered another assist today again. Now, one thing for sure, his name is being popped up regularly now. So I was doing a stream last night and we were running through like the attacking players them for the Reggae Boyz who were in form, actually playing in Europe, who are in form and goals that they're scored and those type of things. And we came across Cephas, and today with the assist that Cephas registered, it put him to 6 assists and 11 goals. So that's basically 17 goal contribution in 28 games so far this season, and he's the leading goal scorer for his team, and also I think he's second leading goal scorer in the Macedonian League. Certainly he's doing everything required of him at this moment. Now the question I'm going to ask you guys is, do you think that he should get a look in? Do you believe that he should get a look in? Another player that we brought up was Clarke, and personally I thought that he's a player that we definitely need to bring to the to the carpet. And when we run through all the statistics and our strikers, these two persons name pop up in regards to goal scoring and assists and those things way more superior to everyone else actually. But you already know that the likes of Mikel, Antonio and these guys are going to be in front. But if we're going to look for backup options and options who we can bring off the bench, players who are going to bring something different, I do believe that Cephas and Clarke is a player that we most definitely should have a thought about. So tell me what you think, people. I think Cephas has a brilliant season, one of his very good first season in Europe. So tell us what you think, people. Do you think he deserves to get a call? And definitely also, do you think that Clarke should get a call as well? So people, smash the like button, tell us what you think in the comment section. Let us know what you think. See you guys again anytime. MG Sports TV, people. We're out. Boom.